Oh my god, a hammerhead!
Did you not?
I caught a hammerhead! Yo! What up?
Did you really?
Let's go! Oh yeah, I got a good shot. Nice.
I'm just fishing right off the back.
Couple times, that's it. Every once in a while you just...
See? Some grabbed it already.
You just don't drive right home with it. Yeah, I could probably get a little bit closer to the rock.
I like the shrimp fish.
Yeah, they don't
They don't
flinch and
jump.
shit, yeah.
Now, saltwater fish, don't worry about trying to set your hook.
Yeah,
Not like
he
the bass
set the
fish.
hook himself, yeah.
Yep, because they get really stupid and they don't care.
Yeah, that's why I didn't have to do
Yeah.
anything. It just
But the
grabbed it.
trout are funny. You don't know they're on there until
Oh, it
actually-
grabbed it and just went right away.
Yep, until you actually start reeling it in, and then next thing you're like, oh shit, I got fish. I can't wait to hit a red. That's gonna be fun.
Something enjoyed my trip.
Huh?
Yeah.
Big nibble and start rolling a little bit.
Yeah, make sure it's not crabbing.
You good?
I just need another shrimp. Something ate it.
I got blood on my feet.
Why?
From that fish.
Got some.
Why are you letting me?
Oh, got trout! Woohoo!
There you go.
Little trout.
Watch
Cute.
There's two teeth right in the middle.
Yep.
Or you
So how do I grab these ones?
Hang on a minute, I'll show you.
say
You gotta get up underneath their gills. It's the best place to grab them.
I should have brought a glove.
You don't
That's
need
okay.
gloves.
Wait for a minute. He'll show you.
I can get that done.
Because I wasn't really watching it. I wonder if mine's gone.
He's got
I'll
something
put them
you
in the
might
water
want to
first
do.
thing.
I'll
Take that out
back.
and go that way with it.
Okay.
Get him behind the tail right there.
Alright.
Sorry about that. Thought it would hold better.
See, he ate half of
So
it.
where do I grab this
So
guy?
when you grab these,
Yep.
see how I got the fins?
Yeah, I want to
Work
I wanna
your
go
hand from the top.
top. Yeah, and then,
And
so
then just
so we
hold
can-
down. And
Yeah,
that's all
hold
you
them
gotta
down.
do. And
Yeah.
then what I do, depending on where the hook's at,
Yep.
I'll stick my thumb inside their gill.
Okay.
Keeps their head still. And then my handy dandy pliers, instead of making blood everywhere, comes out so easy. Most of the time.
I know these barbecue.
But sometimes, see where my finger's at?
Yeah. Like up in his gill.
They got
Yep.
little grill, sharp things on their gills, and sometimes it'll get
I
you.
got the
But
camera ready in case I'm
wake up. Wake up. You got it. Is he gone?
He's like kind of stuck in
Give him a couple hits.
Grab the tail.
Is he good?
Bump him around.
I think he's going.
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, he's going.
Yep.
Takes him a couple minutes.
Good job.
Okay.
Shayna, where's your
Get
fish?
those ones that are.
in the ocean.
You gotta get at least 18 inches on those sea trout.
Yeah, that's why there's only small ones right here, so.
try this side, baby?
Oh.
Alex. They're doing something.
Huh?
Oh, do you have something?
No, I was just. I thought the shrimp was dead, and then he started wiggling.
I did have something.
You got something?
I got some.
Oh, you got one.
Yep.
Debbie's got it.
Oh, he just got off.
Aw.
Mine
It was another
Same
trout.
as Shayna had.
Any part of
It
mine.
was probably too small anyway.
It was a little trout. He was
Yeah.
looked like my
Well,
little.
right to the
Something like
left.
over here.
It felt a little bigger,
Right there,
but
to the left. See him?
Yeah.
I don't know what it was. I couldn't tell what kind of fish.
You got-
Fancy handy dandy.
All I
you got
know
weight
is
on
about
yours
that
now?
big.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little weight.
Yeah, you might need to add another one. Well, these dead ones will prepare us well for the live ones.
If it's anything like the last one I had, I thought it was dead, and then I started sticking it, and then he started twitching.
Decided it was no longer dead.
He was just playing dead.
Alright, y'all give me a break for a minute. From that fish. The one that Debbie caught.
Yep. Swallowed it kind of did.
Shit though. Is he in the house?
Or go to the side.
Am I saying on this one?
Oh.
That should be our next,
I started moving it a little when I felt like something was there.
I know we were saying we want to go to the
Because I was worried that
So we really wanted to go out.
You get both? Oh, yeah, you do. Alright. Oh my god, a hammerhead!
No, you did not.
I caught a hammerhead!
Yeah.
Yo! What up?
Really?
yeah, you got a hammerhead. Now
Let's go!
Hold on.
Hammerhead.
I want a picture of that for sure.
Gloves gotta come on now.
Yep.
I'll keep him in the water for a second.
I definitely want a picture of that. Should have said
Is it a
Baby hammerhead.
It's like a bonnet head, actually.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, it's a bonnet head.
Is my camera still flashing red on the little back? It should still be, right? There's a little...
No red.
No, there's a thing on flash. There'll be a little flash thing.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a
That's
bonnet.
not wrong. That's better.
picture of Alex.
So I'll give you pictures when you get done.
Okay. Pull them out and I'll get a picture with you.
Y'all ready?
Oh, you barely caught him.
Yeah.
Stick a hand in there.
I like my fingers, thank you. Alright.
That's
Ready?
cool. Yeah.
Sherry, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm kind of sort of.
Yeah, we can move.
Yeah.
Good job, Alex.
I haven't found.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about his little. See him looking at me?
Yep.
Oh, you hooked them all the way through.
It's stuck a little in there, but not too bad.
He's pissed. Now when I catch him, I'm letting him go. So.
Oh yeah.
It's like right up in his hook was. These are weird kind of hooks. Like,
Not just the one barb. Should we take it off and pull it through? Sometimes doing that is easier. It's just disconnected.
There we go. Alright, let me right there for a second.
That's pretty cool. So you can make the top on?
Come on, buddy.
There he goes.
It was a girl.
How'd you know?
Girl. They didn't have claspers.
Oh yeah. Well, would it at this age?
Yep.
It would. Okay.
Yeah, they would have had some form of them.
A what?
They didn't have a penis.
Yeah, it'll have like.
There's two little
There's
penises.
two
They have two.
Yeah.
I don't.
Oh,
I did have one.
It was so small I could barely feel it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Want to throw a few?
man. He swallowed it
Keep
good
going,
too.
man. Keep going.
He swallowed it.
Good God.
Yeah.
What'd you do to him?
He was hungry.
I guess.
That was a good sized shrimp on there too.
He might not be anywhere.
Is that a hit?
Sure.
What do you want?
Cheese and a cracker.
8 cheese and 8 cracker.
Hey, exactly.
Well, like 2 pieces of cheese.
No, A. You said A. A.
Would be perfect.
I give you A.
I would let go of my pole right now, but tear this.
That's all the shrimp y'all have left out of 4 dozen? Yep.
Yeah.
What the hey? We're doing good.
Catch another one?
No. No, I said that's all the shrimp you got left out of 4 dozen. Catch another shark, Alex.
Hopefully. Hopefully a keeper shark.
Right?
Make some
I
shark fin
don't
soup.
know. I don't know who's gonna want it in the boat with them, but
Come here, Shane. Come here.
Oh!
Yours.
you got it.
Lots of trout over here, huh?
I guess so. Or they got a season in general.
No, I think they got to be like 16 or 18 or something.
Do you have something, Debbie? Yep. Debbie's got something too, guys. Oh, and a lot better than the last ones. Whatever it is.
The water's definitely fishy.
Hold on, he's going around. Oh, Debbie's got something big.
Don't keep rolling if it's big, because you're going to need a net.
Kind of look like another cat.
Oh, it's just heavy then.
Another cat?
I don't know, I can't see it yet.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah,
What is it?
it's a cat.
Oh,
I almost thought it was another one of those bodies.
He's fighting good though, man.
he's probably hurt.
Oh.
Go ahead. I hear you. Yo, dude. Did you swallow him? Where's the headphone? Barely caught.
Definitely fights way better than the.
Got it?
Yep.
Ah, look, he pooped.
Hey, oh. All over you.
Not on me, then.
It's right. There's a little bit there. You need to wash your hands. And I ain't got no hands.
I have hand sanitizer.
I have hand wipes in the car. It's like we should have
Well,
brought
that
those
doesn't
with.
sound
No, we should have brought those with.
I might have them in my phone.
Alright, I'm using this wipe towel. Wipe up that one nasty spot. So don't use the white towel.
Oh, I do have swipes.
Is that bait still in there?
No.
They're dry wipes.
You know, we went on fishing charters before. Where were we when, were we in the Bahamas or Fort Lauderdale? I don't know. I caught a white tip reef shark that was probably like 5 or 6 foot long.
I got one. Yep.
Nice.
He didn't swallow the shrimp, it just fell off.
Oh, he didn't even get his meal out of it? Shucks.
No, but he swallowed it again. Dang things. Well, this thing did work pretty.
Oh.
What do you think? You might need this again. You know, Howie?
You really swallowed that one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's way down there.
I thought the last one was bad. This one looks...
Yeah, these trout just keep
bad.
swallowing them today.
Yeah.
They hungry.
Mm-hmm. Some roe coming out of this one. Looks like a lady.
Oh.
Yeah, he swallowed this one worse than the other one did.
I know. That's what I was thinking. Ah.
Got it?
Yep. Shayna done? Yeah. You want to come to the back, Shayna?
I like how y'all said, "Oh yeah, you don't gotta worry about sharks." Second thing I catch is a
Well,
shark.
I mean, like man-eating
yeah,
sharks.
big sharks. Yeah.
I've never heard of any shark bites out here. Long as
Yeah, because no one's dumb enough to jump in.
I do.
Oh, okay.
There's another one right there.
What is it? Another. Oh, here's a dead fish. Was this the one that we had that was not doing so hot?
Oh, yep.
That's the one.
Was that the one that we thought?
Yep.
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 Oh, I'm getting something biting.
Jaws are coming with the ground. Got one?
I had something nibbling. Okay, there's something biting at it. Man, I think crab might have just been eating my shrimp. Son of a bitch. Crab stole it, I think. Something stole
That's why
it.
if I'm not getting something pretty quick, I just reel it in a little bit. It's like something grabs it. Like there's something
Something
in
ate
it
it.
right now.
Look.
Where was it? I didn't see it.
Big fish.
How far?
It was right out here. It was a snook. I cast it out there. Oh, you're going to cross over me.
Oh, are you? Oh, shit.
Hold up.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't think you actually had yours down. Someone's messing with mine.
Yep. Something got mine. No, I felt the grab.
Striped sea bass.
Ooh, Alex, come.
Oh,
Real little one.
got another little trap.
At least yours isn't swallowed.
Little trap.
Watch out, back here.
Yep.
No, he's alright.
Okay.
Where them pliers at?
Right here in my pocket. Grab a hold of it, push down, and then twist it.
This one should come out pretty easy. Oh, yeah, you got a big hole there. You just got to grab them. There you go. That one came out easy. You got
Got my little trap.
Oh, you are alive.
I know, they're alive.
They're like half alive. He's a slimy little fish.
Mm-hmm. Wait till they poop on you.
He didn't give me the honor. Shayna, when are you gonna catch a fish?
I'm not fishing anymore.
Oh.
She's enjoying the water.
What'd you get?
another catfish.
Catfish?
Yep. I say the way it's fighting, it felt like a catfish.
Salt cat.
I'm sure my
Don't fight, man. You won't hurt. You get it? Yeah.
It's on.
Hi, Bubba. How you doing?
They're pretty good. They don't fight. Terrible.
See if I can get this one out with my good luck pliers.
That wasn't too bad. There we go.
Yeah. Swallowing.
Oh, he's missing a whisker. No,
Oh, he is. Oh, no, it's there. Yep.
Sandy, you want a kiss?
At least not pro.
You're playing with it, it's gonna shit on you again.
He's starting to
Oh.
He's starting to poop.
Alright, put him in the water.
Yeah, I seem to get it pretty good, so at least I don't lose it too fast.
Yeah.
And nibble on it quite a bit, and it's like. Fuck is that other boat coming by too quickly?
Nope. Got one shot and that was it.
Yeah, I got it for like a half a second.
Yep. Well, there'll be more.
Yep. Oh, there it is.
It's following us now. Maybe he'll keep coming. Oh, the other one's kind of back. Must be something there. Yeah, he's kind of see the water is there he is.
Look over here.
What's on the right? Oh.
Oh, we did.
Wow.
That's why I say you gotta be careful when you're chugging.
Yeah.
Guess it's a good thing you did slow down. They're still playing back there.
Oh, yeah, I got a good shot. Nice.
Yeah,